Well, welcome to Chef Dawg. We've got another product we're going to review. This is from Costco again. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff from Costco. And the idea is to try this stuff out, see how it really tastes. But this is Yakitori chicken Japanese style with fried rice. So right off the bat, just so you know, it's a pretty quick one to make. It says it only takes 3 minutes in the microwave. So I'm gonna open this and then we're gonna give it a whirl. Put it in the microwave and see how this thing turns out. Oh, okay. So it comes in little baggies, as you can see. So that is a serving right there. 3 minutes on high. It says cut the corner. It says it put the seam side up. Cut the edge. 3 minutes. Introduce you to Harley. This is our dog Hars. He's half Maltese and half Shih Tzu. We love Harley. Say hi. You're a dog person. He's my favorite kid. Still pees in the house occasionally. We're working on that, aren't we? As we are. Kisses like that. Oh, give me kisses. Oh, give me kisses. Give me kisses. Oh, he'll give me kisses. My wife won't. You got a lip. Oh, see, we're making a Costco meal. This is how hard it is. Said if you want to do it in the Japanese style, to put it in a bowl and then put it down on the top like that. So that's what I'm going to do. Right off the bat, the smell, it actually smells pretty good. So I'm hopeful. Crossing my fingers. There's 4 of us. Now just so you have an idea, our taste buds over here at the Maddox residence are very different. Mom, aka Shauna, she likes stuff that's very bland and doesn't have a lot of flavor to it. So she's like a pasta girl. Doesn't like vegetables. Doesn't like really anything we like. So you're going to get a perspective from 4 very different people. And it smells good. So this is what it looks like. It's a finished product. Okay. Here it is. We got another one in the microwave right now. I put a little bit of soy sauce in, a little bit of pepper and salt. I've already had a little bit of it. I'm gonna try a little bit more here. Let it cool down. I actually really like it a lot. From the picture, it looked delicious. It actually tastes pretty good. Like a 1 to 10, 10 being the best. I'd give this for a Costco 3-minute meal. I'd give this probably like about a 7.5.
Look at this dude.
And it's good. I like it. What do you think?
Actually, really good. It's good with soy sauce.
It is on the plate. It's about how much you get in a serving. How much comes in? I mean, quite a bit of chicken too. You see? Lots of vegetables. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. So this has what? 15 grams of protein, 48 grams of carbs. So a total of 310 calories and 60 of them in fat. So if you were to rate it, what would you rate it? 1 out of 10.
Maybe like 8 out of 10.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so this is Brecklin. This is our 9-year-old daughter, who's super excited to be here and helping us out. Okay, give this a taste test and see if you like it. What do you think? You want more? Like, you can have a bigger bite and then eat over the plate. You like it? Well, hey, it's my 9-year-old daughter. My son gave it an 8. I gave it a 7.5, which I got a B. Hey, what would you give that, Brecklin? You give that a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Okay, well, I guess Brecklin likes it. So far, we're all giving this a thumbs up. So let's get Mom's opinion. Remember, she's a bland eater.
Yeah.
Oh? Oh? So, what would you give it?
I'm definitely gonna bet you out of the soy sauce.
No.
Wait, it's soy sauce?
No?
Bruh.
So Mom likes it. Okay, you got 4 thumbs up.
Yeah.
Hey, subscribe if you want more of this action, because if you do, more will come. Enjoy. Bon appetit.